Good morning, it's Margaret Betty here at the University of Sewing, and I have the whole gang with me.
Good morning, everybody, today.
So we have Alice, and Alice is here for a really special reason we'll talk about in 1 minute.
It is the Stitchwise Serger event. We're going to make this lovely little pocket hanger.
And that is happening today, guys.
That's happening in like 30 minutes. It's
Yeah.
happening, yeah.
So we're going to let Alice go back to her class, but she had to come and say hi to you guys.
Yep.
So then we have Rachel, and we have Eden, and we have a kind of a little bit of an eclectic group of things today. But I thought they were all beautiful and all really cool, fun stuff.
Yes.
And part of the reason there's a maybe limited amount of stuff is because all of the fabrics from this line are back being parts of another kit we're putting together. The Lori Holt Americana Sew Along. We're doing those kits, right?
Yeah. Yes, we
so,
are.
So that's something we're working on. And so we're going to show you the kits here. Eden, do we still have one more of each of those patterns? Because then we can take it out and we can show everybody.
I think we might.
I think we do. I think we have one of each of them.
I actually don't think that we have any more of the summer picnic because
Did
it's
somebody
such a,
buy it?
Oh yes, it's such a beautiful pattern. Somebody saw it right away and snatched it right up.
Well, there you go.
I'm not even certain we had a chance to put it into the system before it got bought because somebody saw it and pulled out and went, "Oh, that's so pretty." These Lori Holt patterns, they are gorgeous, and we have these kits. You want to talk about just like all of these gorgeous fabrics. We do have these fat quarter bundles that we can. These fat quarters
This
we can show you.
Americana
of this
line
oh.
is very cool.
Look at how amazing these fabrics are.
These
Look
are
at this.
so fun.
I know. So we've got these come in this denim color, and they come in the red color. And look at that. They're just. It's all of It's all the songs. Yeah, so I was going to say, it's all the sheet music for all of these patriotic songs, and they have these just wonderful little images to go with it. There's the Star Spangled Banner.
And this is one of the patterns we're talking about, the Americana flag. It's a scrappy one. I think this is gorgeous. It's actually really big.
It's really big.
Which is shocking. It's 65 inches by 105.
So
back to fat quarters. What is the giveaway today?
Oh, speaking of fat quarters, Eden, what do you have?
We have this table runner, what's it called? Out of the Attic table runner. It's very beautiful. It has flowers on it. I love flowers. So
It's
I had to
all
grab
for
that.
like working with wool and
or applique just in general.
Just-
While they do promote it as being something for wool, there is no reason that you can't just use regular fabric and pull that off. It's from One Wing Wool, and that is their thing. They do wool, but this is so adorable. I can see this done in batiks. I can see it done in
And what
bright-
else do you have,
We
Eden?
also have these 5-inch squares and all these like gem colors, like blue and purple and pink. And they're really pretty and shiny too. They have a little gold shine to them.
I think they call it shimmer.
yeah, a giant word in the front. I think.
Okay.
And those are
probably
from
right.
Northcott.
So those are the giveaway today. How do people get the giveaway?
If you're watching on Facebook, within 24 hours you have to share the video and then comment that you shared. You have to comment because we're not mind readers. But then we'll choose one of you.
We will. You get entered into a drawing and then we pick you, and that's really cool. So let's go back to Lori Holt for a minute because we have a number of things.
Yes.
So all these fabrics right here, I think that all the reds, all the whites, and even all the blues end up being in this. And it even looks like they've got some of the ones with the gold in them. So that's a really fantastic way to go ahead and use these wonderful pattern pieces. We are going to be cutting up a bunch of, we're going to make some fat quarter bundles out of these. We're going to go ahead. We have one more group of kits to make. The two kits we did do, like I said, are the Americana flag. And then we did this
Oh, we do
summer.
have another one of them.
Well, she stole it.
Oh, we took it. Okay, I was gonna say like.
She stole it. So we have one flag pattern, and we do not have any of these as independent patterns, but Summer Picnic, which is so pretty.
It is gorgeous.
So beautiful.
Lots of gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics in here.
And by the way, not difficult to do either. It's all like, you know,
Straight line piecing.
it's all straight line piecing, it's all half square triangles, and it's all
And
hourglass
if
blocks.
you have never used a Lori Holt pattern, these patterns have really, really good instructions. I have made several of their seed. These are smaller quilt pieces that they do and seed packets.
Yeah.
And I've made now several of them. And their instructions are straightforward. It appears that they've done a really good job of catching any mistakes. So really nice job there. So if you were looking for a project and you're maybe a fairly new beginner, I think these are beginner friendly, frankly.
I know you can do it.
And
definitely.
now, I mean, sometimes doing these bigger projects is a little daunting for a beginner, but don't be just daunted by that, because really some of this stuff is so fun. Okay, so we will have fat quarter bundles for you. We have already got the fabrics already online. So if you saw something in this group of fabrics that you're curious about, you'd like to see a bigger picture, really simple to do. Go online to the University of Sewing and take a look. And it is Riley Blake fabric, and it's called Americana. So they're in our latest collection. Go ahead and look on there. Very simple.
And by the way, 52 fabrics in this collection here. You want to talk about something for everyone.
Yeah, it really
Absolutely.
does. It's a gorgeous line. Okay, another really fun thing, another Lori Holt piece that has been very popular with our customers already. These are binding holders. There's a set of 3. Now, Denise suggested something that I thought was a really clever idea. Buy the set, which is actually only $22.
Wow.
Share one with your friends and split it 3 ways. I thought that was a really clever idea.
Fantastic, because you know, like, yeah, after you make the binding and then you're trying to roll it up and it gets all twisted on itself, and you're trying to, these just keep it nice and smooth. So you just basically put it on this little like mini bolt, and now you've got all of your
it's so
binding
cute.
just all
There's
organized in one
flowers
place.
and bees. It's so cute. Okay, so we've got that. Now, you may not realize it, but we actually carry the Quilting Arts magazine. So Quilting Arts magazine is super cute, and this is something new that we decided to do. But I wanted to show you something we did.
Look at that! That's us, you guys!
I know, it's so fun. It is so fun. So we have this wonderful ad on the back of Quilting Arts magazine,
really
and
cool, too.
this magazine has some lovely ideas with
amazing.
applique. There are pictures in here, different
I mean,
artwork.
It's
so beautiful.
incredible. These
Look at
incredible.
all that. This is reverse applique. When's the last time you did reverse applique?
I don't even know what that is.
That'd probably be a big old never for me. But what I love is that this, because it is designed to be for like art quilts, you get some very traditional ones and you get some very modern ideas as well. And I think that that is so cool.
Who
Look
does a
at
quilt
these.
with that?
Oh my gosh! Don't you just want to pet him? I just want to pet him.
Look at
It's
these
amazing.
applique and
That is
embroidered.
insane.
These are so amazing.
This, yeah, it really
So
is.
this-
It's absolute eye candy.
This is like the thing you sit down at home after a long day and you just want to feast your eyes. This is the magazine to do it. So yes, while I highly recommend that you get a subscription, if you just want to try one, we've got them to go. All right, I want to remind you guys, we have these really cute little Red Riding Hood friends and dolls. You know, Christmas is not that close, so now you have time. No stress. Make this cute little group of stuffed animals all embroidered in the hoop. It's so darn cute. And so this is a great way to go ahead and make up some animals, and beautiful Red Riding Hood. She is so darn cute.
It's so cute. And I will say, as a former kindergarten teacher, this is something that we would, like, if you have a teacher in your life who works with small children, this is something that we would just have in our classroom, and we would just be able to pull it out. We would have it for the kids.
That'd be
We'd
really
be able to have
cute.
it for story time. This
There's
is
only
amazing.
264 days till Christmas, so you better hurry.
Dude,
because-
just look it up.
All right. I wanted to bring out Katie Fowler's Foolproof Art Quilting. I love the ideas. I love all the inspiration. This is another one of those books that if you haven't seen it and
yeah, this
gone
one is
through
lovely.
it, this is so cool. There's all kinds of ideas with fabric paint and markers. There's all kinds of ideas with doing some really interesting hand stitching or machine quilting. There is all the ideas to get you started if you think you would like to learn more about color, if you want to go and do some things that are a little more artistic. This is a great book to start with.
You don't have to be afraid of art quilting. You don't have to be.
No. So that I kind of thought those guys went together,
Yes,
even though
absolutely.
I didn't make them go together quite right.
Absolutely.
Okay, clothes. We're going to talk about clothes for a couple of minutes. And I'm just going to tell you guys we're going to end a little early today because we've got this event coming up. But I want you to see some really cute ideas here clothing-wise. You told me this was gone, silly girl.
Oh my
We have
gosh.
this.
I
Okay.
didn't. I was looking for a bigger book.
The Dressmaking Companion. It's a cute little book. Not terribly expensive. It's only $20. It has all kinds of ideas about fabric, about how to do certain seaming. What is your stitches going to look like when you do your buttonholes? What's all the appropriate things and why you might want to use those stitches. So really nice little book. Then we've got the tailoring book. If you haven't seen Allison Smith's books.
Allison Smith's books are amazing.
How about a hand-done buttonhole? How many of
Wow.
you have thought that they look so beautiful on garments? This gives you the way to do it. How to sew on something, we oftentimes don't think about the button, how we make the buttonhole and so forth. She walks you through every part of that step. I love Allison Smith's books. They are your total resource for sewing. There's a lot of really good information in the tailoring book.
Amazing.
2 new patterns, guys. We have 2 new patterns in clothes, at least. We
In
have several
clothing.
other.
So we have the Great Lines top and pants. This is from C&T Patterns. Look at that. One of the things I love about this, the great thing about being able to make your own clothes is that you can add these tiny little details that just give it that little custom edge to it. And look at the bottom detail on these pants here. You can do it either in a color blocking. They have
I've
a color
already got
blocking
the
example.
pattern laying out at home.
Oh, fantastic. I love how she just turned those stripes just to make it that little bit of detail. And that's how people
Look
know
at that cute
that.
funnel top on there.
That's right.
That's
And
so cute.
Those kinds of details, those kinds of things, those are things that are going to elevate your clothes so that they are custom made, they don't
We've
look
got
like
some
they're
great
homemade.
canvases right now that are cotton and cotton linen blends. That would do that top really
And
cute.
they wash up so soft. you
And
guys.
these two
Oh.
more kind of traditional kind of tops, these t-shirt tops, those are going to be great out of the viscose or your rayons. Those are really cute. Cotton lawn even, I'll bet, would do really
I'm
nicely out
sure.
of that.
Yeah.
So really cute stuff here, guys, for a variety of different fabrics.
And C&T Patterns usually not very difficult.
And their pattern
This one-
prices are reasonable.
Look at how gorgeous this dress is. Have you been looking for a beautiful, not super hard dress that you can make out of, say, a linen or a cotton? You don't have to, if you're nervous about knits, if you're nervous about stretch, this is going to give you a different option. Right. I think this is so beautiful. I love the bishop sleeve.
Yeah.
I love the line of buttons all the way down, coming to like just a little hint of a slit there. Oh, I love it. It comes in
really
2 different
beautiful.
lengths. You can do a knee length and then the midi length.
And you
which is
can
what
also
show here.
do it with straps instead of the sleeves. So if you prefer that, that's a gorgeous dress.
It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Okay, we have a
Bag.
really down.
There we go. Now
what we
Ian's gonna get
have,
excited.
Ian is
I haven't
gonna-
seen this one.
so this is brand
It's a
new.
little pouch.
You know what? You can always put a strap on it and make it into the cutest little purse.
yeah.
So zipper up at the top. It's done with very nice lines to it. It's very pretty. You can use cottons. How about one of those waxed cottons?
Oh yeah.
That'd be kind of pretty. That would be a nice
And there's
idea.
And just to let
sizes.
you guys know, these 3 patterns, we just got them in yesterday, so they're not quite on our website yet, but like give me like an hour and they will be.
Okay, last couple of things, little gift items. If you are an Indiana person or have someone in Indiana you love, this is a super cute quilty little sticker. We got them for Shop Hop, but I thought you might like those if you are an Indiana person. So I think that we should have many more stickers with quilty stuff on them. I like that.
agree.
We have this gorgeous little scissor set. It is a necklace. It's got this wonderful case for your scissors. And look how nice and sharp those are. Nice little point on it. So gorgeous. So that might be a great little gift for somebody you love. Or maybe you should tell somebody who loves you. And then we've got a whole bunch of different cards in here. I only brought a few out, but I think these are really cool and great. So guys, take a look at the cards. If you're needing a card for a friend, this is a really, really gorgeous way to give them a little note to tell them you are thinking of them. All right, we have to get ready for the event. People are showing up and we want to get going. So I hope that you guys have a fantastic Saturday. Make sure you look at our latest arrivals. That's where you're going to find all this stuff. And there's one for fabric and there's one for supplies. So most of what we showed you today was in the supply category. And then the 2 kits here will be in fabric. All those wonderful fabrics from the Americana line are going to be in the fabrics latest arrivals. If you have any problems finding anything on our website, you know what you can do? Get on the phone.
Go ahead and give us a call and say, Rachel, I can't find this. And I'm sure it's user error. I'll be like, oh, it's me. That was me. I
It's
fixed
totally
that.
cool.
I will fix that right now.
All right. Okay, guys, we got people at the doors. We got to go.
Yeah.
Have a fantastic Saturday, and we'll see you next Friday for Facebook Live.
Bye.